Hey guys, this is my new series on like how to make a Discord bot in Discord.python or Discord.py. So what you want to do is you want to like get some text editor. Like I have Atom, but you can use VS Code or whatever. And then also what you want to do is you want to go into command prompt and want to do pip install Discord. And then you just wait for it to run. But for me it says already satisfied because I already have it. So then what you want to do is you want to open your browser. And you want to go to this app, discord.com/developers/applications, new application. And then you can just name it whatever you want. Like I'll name it like YouTube test bot. So now that it's like here, you can like choose the logo, but what you really want to do, you want to click on this bot. Like you want to click on this bot tab, add a bot. Yes, do it. And then just like add a logo for like personality or whatever. I don't know, I just added something. Sure, why not? Yeah, so and then what you want to do is you want to make it so that your bot it has administrator and then bot and then administrator, and then go back to bot, and then over here in the token, don't reveal the token to anybody, just copy it. Now go back to your text editor. So what you want to do is you want to do import Discord, which is like a Discord module. Oh yeah, I'll need to save it as bot.py. So, and then what you want to do from discord.ext import commands, and then client equals commands.bot, and the bot needs to be capital like the B, and then do command underscore prefix equals and then a string and then whatever you want the thing to be. I'll just make it like a period because why not. And then what you want to do is you want to do at client dot event async def on ready print bot is online. So then after that you make a new line and then you do client dot run equals and then your token. Actually what you want to do is instead of the equals you remove that and then you just open bracket and then close bracket. Now you want to run it. And then it'll say bot is online. Okay, now you want to go back to your browser. You want to scroll down in general information. Oh, where is it? And then you copy that because that's your bot invite link. You put it in your browser. I'm not a robot. Okay, now once you go into Discord, Where's my Discord? Okay, once you go up into Discord, then your bot will be here. It'll have its own role and stuff. Yeah, so, and then what you want to do, now that your bot is in the server, at client.command, and then put brackets, async def hello ctx, because context, and then colon, new line, await context dot send hello. Okay, save that, delete the terminal, make a new one. Okay, once the bot is online, on dot hello, dot hello, the bot should respond with hello. And that's all the basics that I have for today. See you in the next vid.